Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to provide you with tools and resources to boost your maintenance and operations teams. In this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, we're diving into a topic that resonates with us all, the critical role of nurturing people in a company. We'll be discussing the impacts of the pandemic on companies and their teams, mental health in the workplace, and the importance of company culture. Joining us again is Rob Kalwarowsky, a mechanical engineer from MIT who is an asset management specialist and a prominent voice in reliability engineering. Now, let's dive into some thought-provoking conversation. Rob, a former economist, is also the creator of Rob's Reliability Podcast and Project, a platform that amplifies the importance of reliability through various content forms. Today, we're talking about something we both hold dear, the significance of companies taking care of their people. We're convinced that a company's success is deeply entrenched in how well it tends to its employees and customers. Rob takes us on his journey of self-discovery over the past 5 months, highlighting the importance of caring about each individual within a company. He underscores the need for vulnerability and the courage to ask hard questions, not about the equipment, but about the individuals themselves. We also discuss the pandemic's impact on companies and their employees. Rob shares his view on how companies have been managing the situation, noting that many still treat their employees like living, breathing robots. He advocates a shift in perspective, urging companies to humanize maintenance and reliability and to genuinely care about their employees. He shares 4 words that he believes are key to this discussion: love, connection, vulnerability, and courage. He's convinced that these elements can help our industry truly care about our employees and foster a more positive work environment. We also debate the importance of open and honest mental health conversations in the workplace. Rob bravely shares his personal struggle with depression, emphasizing the importance of asking for help and being open about your feelings. He encourages everyone to show strength by being vulnerable and asking for help when needed. We explore company culture and values, discussing how they should portray who we are and how we behave. Rob shares his value system, centered around authenticity and speaking his truth, no matter how uncomfortable it may feel. As we wrap up, we encourage our listeners to ask their coworkers, friends, and family about their life and what they are experiencing. We believe in the power of empathy and the drive to understand each other so that we can all promote the human good. If you want to connect with Rob, you can find him on LinkedIn as Rob Kalwarowsky or follow his show, Rob's Reliability Project. You can also visit his website at robsreliability.com and sign up for his newsletter. Remember, if you're ever experiencing suicidal thoughts, please reach out to your support system or call 1-800-273-8255 to connect with a specialist from the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. And that's a wrap for this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We've discussed the importance of nurturing people in a company, the impacts of the pandemic on teams, mental health in the workplace, and the significance of company culture. We hope you found this conversation as insightful as we did. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions. To learn more about the tools and resources UpKeep provides to boost your maintenance and operations teams, visit us at upkeep.com.